Hey guys, so here is my website. My website is camping, hiking, climbing gear for women specifically. And so here is the About page, which is also the home landing page for now. I just kind of like introduce myself a little bit and talk about how I want people to, find the right thing for them. I could optimize it a little bit more so that it's more specifically for women. So that's something that I need to work on. But I do like this contact me form that's right here and how short it is. So I'm an affiliate site, so I'm selling things through Amazon. So I here just have like different things on Amazon that I've looked and like seen good reviews on, or that I own myself and have put them up on my website. And all of these, the things like the harnesses and like the shoes, are women specific. Of course, like rope isn't, but still other things, and they are just for women on here. And then of course I have like my buy on Amazon button, and it would take them straight to Amazon. I have these others too: hiking shoes, hiking day packs, tent, things like that, and then camping as well. Okay. I also have a section for a blog, but I haven't put up any blog posts yet. I'm still working on coming up with ideas for my blog post ideas, and I have some, I just haven't been able to get to them yet. So if you actually click on the buy on Amazon, then it will open a new window and it will take you right to Amazon. You can come here, you can look at it, just, it's on Amazon. So that's pretty nice that it can be clicked right through. What I would like to do in the future with my website is make it more of a review site where I can actually go through and review them myself and not just rely on the reviews of other people and write up a little thing on here. I used Squarespace to do my website, which I really enjoyed. Squarespace it was a little bit more on the pricey end of things, but it also was super easy for me to use. It's kind of like a drag and drop sort of website builder, and it will automatically optimize almost everything for you. So it's already mobile friendly, and it's already, we'll put in like metadata. It already like has a really nice clean, why can't I think of the word? Web page title. So it's just a really good website builder if you don't really know what you're doing for these. So that's my site, and I'm excited to see what everyone else's looks like.